All right, I recently had the opportunity to do a little DIY fix on this boat dock here. It's out for the season on the shore, and the bunks themselves, the black felt bunks, you can see, when you get the boat on there, it rocks back and forth. So we were gonna kind of DIY fix this here, and it involves resetting one of them or moving it up slightly. You can see here on this side, we want it to kind of match this side, and the metal, it's a kind of a 45-degree piece of metal here. And what we're going to do is we're going to be loosening up the bolts a little bit, because we want to slide this angular metal piece up and then put a bolt right through that hole. Can you see that? But I want it to be up on the lip of the metal right here. So you can see that hole. So we want to like lift this bunk up and then align the hole. Once it gets past, it clears that metal piece. There we go, right about there. Slide the new bolt through. Can you see that? So we're basically propping it up a little bit more. And we'll put a washer and a nut on and tighten it down, and then tighten everything back down. You can see we did put some red lines to mark before we got started to see where the original position was. So with the bunk now adjusted, we will call this good. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks.